my guest.
Be my guest.
Be my guest.
Be my guest.
You be my guest.
Oh, please be my guest.
You want to go it alone? Be my guest.
Can I leave?
Be my guest.
You want to clean toilets? Be my guest.
If you want to take the hard road, be my guest, pal.
Can you get long distance on this?
And how? Be my guest.
You think you can get those girls to behave? Be my guest.
You want to jump out a plane without a chute, be my guest. But forgive me if I don't join you.
If you want to go out there and freeze to death, you be my guest.
You mind if I take a look at your store?
Not at all. No. Be my guest.
Be my guest.
I gotta know what a $5 shake tastes like.
Listen, Kent and I have to talk, so please.
Be my guest.
But you're married. You have a wife, beautiful kids. Ted, if you love him so much, please be my guest.
If you don't believe me, please be my guest. Ow, 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 oh my God!
Do what the man asks. Be free. Then, if you want to go after him, burn his house down, be my guest. But until then, rules. Exactly. Rules.